In this video, I'm going to break down very quickly for you the steps, the techniques and practices to be very successful within your business using the law of attraction and manifestation. I use this stuff in all aspects of my businesses, and it really makes a difference. Before I was not, and I was not seeing the kind of results I wanted to see. I was putting a ton of time and commitment and investment in working and hitting the road and traveling. Yet I was very mindful. I was very Buddhist, if you will, without any attachment. So I'd go into a sales meeting and be like, whatever ends up happening from this, I surrender to it. And so it was good because it was a peaceful mindset, but I had established a peaceful mindset regardless. But I'm sitting here traveling, taking planes, trains, and automobiles, doing presentations, trying to land meetings, and yet I would only see about a 50% success rate. But then when I learned about the law of attraction, I really started honing in on the practices and implementing them in my business. Everything changed. I had to hit $1.5 million, I remember, with my sales goal. And into the fourth quarter of the year, I was $1 million short. I was traveling, again, wasn't super successful for those 9 months. Then I started implementing the law of attraction stuff like the month before the fourth quarter started, and I achieved 1.6 for the year. I did over $1 million by establishing this mindset. Super, super effective. And I want to break down all the tips and techniques for you. If you're new, thank you for subscribing. I'm going to share a bunch of business-minded stuff that's going to help you accelerate your growth and see awesome success. And if you're returning, you can use this stuff within any realm of your working for your own business, being an entrepreneur, or somebody else at work. It's all about the mindset here. So I'm going to break down a bunch of steps and techniques for you to be ultimately successful using law of attraction and manifestation. So before we get started, I just want to let you know, if you make a comment in the comment section, if you ask me a question or give me some advice or just a little tip or saying thank you, whatever it is, I'm going to enter you in a raffle to win a little business consultation. So it's going to be a 30-minute consult with me, how to transcend, how to elevate your mindset to achieve results in your business. So be sure to make a comment and subscribe. You do those two things, I'm going to enter you in a raffle to win a consultation. It's a $150 value for you. So let's break down. What is the law of attraction? It doesn't matter what we're trying to achieve. It's always the same thing. To be that which you are trying to attract. So how do you be a successful business person, a successful sales leader, or successful manager if you don't have the team yet, if you don't have the business established, if you don't have the leads, if you're not doing the closing? It's the mindset. So you have to, one, establish what you have. This is the very vital first part of anything with law of attraction and manifestation, is establish gratitude for the stuff you have. So if you're just launching a business, what do you have that's going right? First thing you're going to do is list that out. Take a pen and a paper, write out 10, 15, 20 reasons of everything that's going well and everything that you've accomplished, like this. Thank you that I have successfully blank, a blank, a blank. Thank you that I have done this. Thank you that I have this. If you're a sales guy or girl and you're out there hitting the road and going to presentations and everything, what are you doing that you're grateful for? Not what have you yet to achieve. Look at what you have achieved. We need to radiate gratitude for the success that we already have. The universe hears that and goes, that person's successful. Give them more success. When we look at everything we're not achieving and we're not grateful for anything, the universe goes, that person is not successful. Give them more reasons to not be successful. So the first vital thing is establish, pen and paper style, what you are grateful for in your life with the business right now. Now we need to embody that list. We need to feel that gratitude. So once we list it out, we're not done there. Actually, we need to radiate that gratitude every single day. So every morning and night, I want you to read over that list. And at the end of each item that you wrote down, say, thank you, thank you, thank you. Close your eyes and feel it, okay? If some waiter comes to the table and gives me a glass of water, I go, yeah, thank you. That's one way of saying thank you. If I'm choking at the table on bread and I can't get the bread down and I'm by myself eating and a waiter sees me and catapults over a table and a chair and pushes somebody at the side and brings me a glass of water and I gulp it down and I'm like, thank you. Same two words. Very different meaning. You want to go with the latter. You want to feel that gratitude flow through you for what you have, for what you are already successful in with your business. So let that words, that meaning, that feeling, that emotion just flow through you as you read off those items every single morning, every single night. So read it off. Allow yourself to really be grateful for that, and then feel that gratitude flow through you. You're going to do this indefinitely. I recommend at least 2 weeks because we really need to kind of turn the tides and switch our direction and go in the positive and then gain some momentum there. So I want you to practice that every morning and every night. So little tip here is we want to work on 2 different things when we're listing out what we're grateful for. We want to list out what the service is that we provide the world. Even if you're selling a product, that product actually gives us service. If I'm selling walnuts and people eat those, the service is they're getting that nutrition. So whatever your product or service is, how is that valuable to others? We want to go into that level. First foundation there of gratitude is, what is this service that I'm providing do for people? And allow yourself to feel like, oh my God, this is pretty incredible what I do. The service that I offer the people, this is pretty freaking amazing. And we want to really embody the gratitude for that, because you are changing people's lives for the better. You're improving their quality of life, their lifestyle, something. You may be saving them or really transcending their whole entire lifestyle in some way. So we want to grasp onto that, hold on to that. The second level of gratitude is, what does it do for you as a business person? Well, I'm providing for my family. I'm getting fulfillment going through this and meeting people. I love that. The interaction, the little challenge of trying to close a sale. It fuels me. I like being on the road. I like selling stuff. I like showing people what they can gain from this. That is level 2. So there's first level, second level, or first layer, second layer. You want to go with 10 reasons, 15 reasons of being grateful in each one. You are really embodying gratitude here. So we have to know what the value is of the business, and then also what are you gaining personally from that and your family. So you're going to concentrate on those 2 different layers. With manifestation, what we're trying to do is be successful, therefore attracting more success. And then through our thoughts, our spoken word, our actions, our feelings, and our belief, we are putting in an order for the future reality to experience certain experiences or a certain reality we wish of success within our business. More money, more clients, more success. So we're going to script out what that looks like in the next step. So we have to define 6 to 9 to 12 months from now. 6 to 12 months from now, what does your business look like? I'm talking about dream business. If you're only making, $9,000 a month and you want to be working at 9 billion, you got to give yourself a little bit of time. I want a reasonable goal for yourself. You determine what's reasonable, no one else. Don't leave it up to anybody. Don't let hearsay take you away. Don't let your mind bring you down of why you can't achieve something. You don't have the college degree. You don't have the work ethic. You don't have enough time. Be reasonable, but set the goal where it's not too easy to attain, 6 to 12 months from now. And you're going to script that out. What kind of achievements do you want to make in 6 to 12 months from now? Pen and paper, write all that out. What kind of revenue do you want to be making? What kind of lifestyle within the business do you want to maintain? Do you want to be hitting the road and traveling and doing in-person meetings or virtual meetings? Or do you want to be working for somebody else? Do you want to just create the art from the comfort of your own home and sell it online? Whatever the dynamics are of your business, establish that. Establish how you spend your time, and establish how much you make for that time per year or per month. And you're going to define what it looks like to be successful. We have to have the goal line here, the summit, if you will, and that's what we're pursuing. That's the order that we are broadcasting, that we are placing with the universe, because we are establishing that gratitude for what we have, and then we are placing the order for the experience we wish to enjoy and relish and be grateful for in the future. So it just works like this. The universe goes, this guy, Joe, he's really successful. He loves helping clients. He makes good money. He teaches people. He's really, really happy with that. And guess what? Joe wants more of that in the future in a different capacity. He wants to be on stage more. He wants to launch the book and help people. He wants to help host workshops. I'm not doing all that right now, but I wish to be doing that. So I'm establishing success and gratitude for what I do right now. I'm proud of it. I'm humbled with gratitude, and I am thriving in that space. And then through my affirmations, the techniques I'm going to give you now, I'm placing my order. Well, I see myself on stage. I see myself signing books for people. I see myself hosting workshops. I see myself doing this, that, and the other within the scope of my business. So write all that out and have a fine idea and determination of exactly what that looks like. Again, 6 to 12 months from now. Now, here we go. We have the first part. I told you 1 to 2 weeks, you're going to be doing that, reading that over every single morning, every single night. The second part, step 2 of defining our goals, read that over too. You're going to read that over as soon as you're done reading the first part over. So you're going to read the first list and then the second list. Okay, layer 1, layer 2, and then the second list over here to define what it is that you are successful in the future. Every morning and every night. And after you're done, so say if I say, I'm reading the second letter here, where I want to be on stage, I want to be signing books and hosting workshops. With me being on stage, I'm going to read it. Thank you so much. Again, you're writing, thank you that this is what I am going to do. Thank you that I am a successful public speaker and that the audience has a transformational experience and they're happy to pay me and I make a very good living off of this while changing the world for the better. So I'm writing something like that out. From there, after I read that off for public speaking, I'm going to read that off, close my eyes, repeat, thank you, thank you, thank you, and I'm going to visualize myself on stage. I'm going to walk out. I'm going to see myself, my feet go across the stage there. I'm going to hear my name be presented, the curtains open up, and I'm going to give the performance. I'm going to see the audience standing ovation, roaring. I'm going to see myself feeling fulfilled and energetic and really competent and funny and charming and really helpful and educational and inspirational and motivational on the stage. I'm going to feel that experience. What we're doing is our conscious mind is giving that, pouring that into our subconscious, and from there, we are manifesting it. So it's called visualization and feeling grateful for being on the stage. I'm going to be like humbled with gratitude when I'm speaking with the audience. And then I'm going to open my eyes and I'm going to say, okay, now I'm signing books. I'm going to see myself signing the book. And there's a line of people out the door. And I'm signing the book and talking to people, and the heartfelt like little tales and emotions that are coming to me about how I've helped them in some way. And I'm so humbled with gratitude that my story has helped and influenced their life so much. And then I'm going to workshops. And so you rinse and repeat. So everything item that you list down, stop and visualize yourself in that space. Important part here is feeling the gratitude as if this has already happened. Sorry, alarm went off. I got work to do. I'm a busy guy. But you're going to do that visualization there and then experience that as if that is your life. Be grateful for that event, that occurrence, as if that is your life. And then comes the next part. You're going to get to work. Dedicate yourself. Determine that you are going to achieve your success no matter what. Never quit. Never listen to anybody who puts you down or tells you cannot achieve it, especially yourself and your own toxic ego mind saying, no, 10 different reasons of why you'll never be successful. All that dismiss. See the goal line, see the summit, and say, what do I need to do to cross that finish line? And commit yourself. Research online, listen to podcasts, go to YouTube, learn and educate yourself on how to be a master at this, and never, ever give up on the faith that you deserve this success. This is your destiny. Every morning, you're going to wake up with this work objective, with this business objective, and be like, this is my destiny. I am successful. You're going to live it and breathe it and embody it. It is you. This is your way of life, and it is your destiny to be successful. So commit to that mindset and never give up. So many people give up just before crossing the finish line. And when it gets really, really hard and you really feel like you're about to throw in a towel, that's when the finish line is closest. So when you experience that, and if you do, just go, hold on, commit. You deserve this. It's a matter of time. We are nearly there. So these are all the steps for manifesting success using the law of attraction. Be sure to comment. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to enter you into that raffle to win the personal consultation with me. And be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so very much. Let me know if you have any questions. Wishing you a tremendous amount of success within your endeavors and wishing you well. We'll see you next video.